Hello class! Today we are going to learn about the parts of speech. Every word in a sentence is a part of speech. Determining what part of speech a word is helps us to understand the role of the word in the sentence. The types of parts of speech that we are going to go over today are the noun, adjective, verb, and adverb. Let's begin our lesson with nouns. Kevin, ice cream, chocolate, books, and courage. These are all nouns. These words all name people, places, or things. There are two types of nouns, common and proper. Proper nouns name specific, one-of-a-kind items, while common nouns identify the general varieties. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. However, common nouns are only capitalized if they are at the beginning of a sentence. Consider the sentence, Jenna likes cheese. What are the nouns in that sentence? Jenna and cheese. Jenna is a proper noun and cheese is a common noun. Let's move on to adjectives. Adjectives are parts of speech that describe nouns. They do this by asking either, what kind is it, how many are there, or which one is it? Some examples of adjectives that would answer the question, what kind is it, would be fuzzy, yellow, big, and warm. Some examples of adjectives that would answer the question, how many are there, would be 7, 5, 2, or any number. Some examples that would answer the question, which one is it, would be lazy, unhealthy, sassy, and bright. Look at the sentence, there are 27 books on the top shelf. What are the adjectives? 27 and top. 27 answers the question, how many are there? And top answers the question, what kind is it? Now let's look at verbs. A verb is possibly the most important part of a sentence. This is because the verb expresses an action. The noun in the beginning of the sentence usually performs this action. Every sentence must have a verb. If they don't, the sentence is considered incomplete. Verbs also have a relationship with time. The verb tells us if something will happen, if it already happened, if it will happen later, or if it is happening now. Look at the sentence, Dracula bites his victim on the neck. What is the verb? Bites. It is the only action in this sentence. Now let's move on to adverbs. Adverbs are used to describe verbs. Adverbs answer the questions how, when, where, and why. A lot of adverbs end in ly, but not all of them do. Look at the sentence, Ashley easily lifted the barbell. To find the adverb, let's first find the verb. Remember, the verb is an action. So what is the verb? Lifted. The action in this sentence is lifted. The word that describes this action would be the adverb. What word describes this action? Easily. Easily is the adverb. Now that we are finished going over the noun, adjective, verb, and adverb, let's review. A noun is a person, place, or thing, and there are proper nouns and common nouns. An adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun. They answer questions about the noun. A verb is an action, and every sentence must have one, or it is considered incomplete. Lastly, an adverb is a word that is used to describe a verb. They answer the questions how, when, where, and why. Now you know all about these 4 parts of speech. If you need to review them, you may rewatch this video. There are more than these 4 parts of speech, and next class we will learn about them. See you next time!